Hey guys, I lost a bet, so I have to do a recipe with chocolate chips. So I'm calling this passion chocolate cake. Anyway, so we have our chocolate cake mix there, you see?
Yep.
And Renee's gonna mix that up according to the package directions, and we'll be right back.
All right, so we have our olive oil, eggs, and water that we're gonna add and mix it together. All right, so our batter is mixed up. Our oven has just dinged to let us know it is preheated to 350. And now Crystal is gonna tell us what we are going to do next.
All right. You see those bananas that you cut up?
Yep, we have 2 bananas here that are nice and chopped up. Should we add those to our cake batter?
Yes.
All right.
And by the way, Renee got those bananas because I forgot when I was doing my shopping. So sorry about that, Renee.
No, that's fine. I just stopped and grabbed them on the way here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so the bananas are in, and I just wanted to mention we used 2 boxes of cake mix for this. We used Betty Crocker, the super moist milk chocolate cake, and we did 2 boxes of that, and then therefore the other ingredients are doubled to make up the cake mix, cake batter. And our bananas are in, and we are ready for our next ingredient. What should we do, Crystal?
This whole bag of chocolate chips.
All right, and to go with our milk chocolate cake batter, we have milk chocolate chips. Ghirardelli milk chocolate chips. All right, so the chocolate chips are in. This is looking so good. In my opinion, you can never have too much chocolate.
Agreed.
Yep. All right, so what is our next ingredient, Crystal?
Our next and final ingredient is the ginger right there.
Right. Ginger.
That's 2.5 tablespoons
All
we
right.
used right there.
We should add all that in.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Okay, so now it's getting ready to go into the bundt pan, and she sprayed it away from my nose.
Yep.
Considering the last time, a couple years back, she didn't spray it away from my nose, and you remember what happened.
Yep, you went into a sneezing fit and we had to stop the video.
No kidding, for like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Anyway, so that's gonna go into the bundt pan, and we'll be right back.
All right. Sprayed liberally. We do not want anything sticking to this. We want it all out in one piece. So we'll pour that in and be right back. All right, so it is in our bundt pan and it is ready to go in the oven for about 40 minutes. And we'll see you then. All right, it is done. We actually ended up baking it for about 50 minutes. And it is done, and we've let it cool, and we are ready to cut a piece and taste it. All right, there it is. It looks really good. I'll show you the cake. We're gonna give it. All right, I'm gonna give it a try. Yum, that tastes good. All right, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you back here next time at Recipes Mania. Bye.